There we go. Let's talk about something. I love stuff that's awesome, utilitarian, and cheap, and multi-function use. Let me grab it over here. Right. Here we go. Let me first... Well, I'm just going to leave it on there. You know, I think you can see from the picture what the hell it looks like. I just got 4 straps of Velcro on there. This is on sale currently at Lowe's, where I got it at Lowe's. And I'm sure it's at Home Depot. I don't know if it's the same price, but it's $19, 1,500 lumens, and importantly, it is a 5,000K daylight balanced. Let me actually turn it on and not point it at the camera. Oh yes, it's exceedingly bright, and I can confine the beam. And take a look at this. You can actually buy these. This is a Fresnel, or actually you can say Fresnel. Actually, both pronunciations are okay. I've grew up saying a Fresnel, which is also accurate. Even if you go on Nikon's own website, they'll say Fresnel. Stick a Fresnel on the front. I didn't attach it perfectly, but I think you get the point. Once I actually do this, I got much tighter confinement on the light. Really neat. Only $1,900. Did I say 19? I've had too much coffee. $19.99. That would be really funny if it was $1,900, wasn't it? It's like cheap Chinese stuff. $19.99. 20 bucks. All right, 20 bucks. This is it. It's the Utilitech 1,500 lumen, 5,000 Kelvin, daylight balanced. Now you're thinking, well, how useful is this? Well, the Chinese, being the inventive people that they are, made sure that this was adaptable also for photography, even though I found this in a hardware store. What you do is you actually, and it comes unassembled, you just stick in these 2 screws basically. If you actually unscrew this, actually unscrew the bottom, excuse me, this piece comes out, and at the base right here is a tripod mounting screw, and you screw it onto a light stand or a tripod, and you could just take this section and remove the base and throw it away or don't use it. And then you could use this and swivel it, since it has a swivel right here, wherever the hell you want. I also have over here, and I should have had it here at my desk, but here we go. Let's see how long it takes me to do this. 1,000, 2,000, there we go, 2,000. Stick a honeycomb grid. Right now I've got a 15-degree honeycomb grid on this. So it's a really bright LED light. It'll fit on your light stand. Tripod, light stand. Yeah. Don't need to use the base. I was using one of these, and everybody should actually have several of these. I got quite a few of them. You just actually unscrew this, and it'll actually mount on the top of this. This is an articulating arm for mounting on the top of a light stand, so you can get full articulation not only out of this joint, but this joint, and you can swivel it over here, swivel it this way, swivel it at this joint. I think you get the point, so that's it. I found one of these. I was surprised that the screw also fits a tripod socket, but the back is really complicated. It's got an off and on switch, you know, exceptionally complicated. But that's it. By the way, I can make anything with industrial Velcro. All I did was attach, using some industrial Velcro, this 7.5-inch reflector. There we go there. With that, and this is what the, I hit the microphone. I bet that was really loud. This is what the unit looks like with all of that removed. It has a focusing lens already on it. And I could use this for a lot of stuff. Lighting is good. I love lighting. Swiss Army knife, lighting. Also, since it's LED, I got no worries about anything breaking on it. 19 bucks is certainly worth it. So consider snagging it. And like I said, I got it at Lowe's on sale for $19.99. And yeah, I just wanted to show that to you. I love lighting. And even though I talk about lenses a lot, as I've said since day one, more important than lenses. Well, the number one most important thing is what exists between your ears. The second most important thing is not any damn camera or any damn lens, no matter how good the lens is. Lighting! Lighting! Why did my computer screen come up? Here we go. There we go. There we go. Anyway, so lighting. Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to show that to you. What model is it? It's the model, 554870. Anyway, that's what it looks like at Lowe's. Made in China, as if I couldn't have figured that out. All LED stuff is Chinese anyway. It's like, it's got an LED in it, it was made in China. How do you know? Because it's got an LED in it. And Chinese understood LEDs long before anybody else. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I just wanted to show that to you, and I thought maybe you'd want to grab one, because I love lighting. You may not love it, but I do. Thank you, and goodbye. Do 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 do.